Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to gather the open source information using Windows command line utility. Windows offers several powerful command line utilities that help attackers as well as ethical hackers and pen tester to gather open source information about the target of evolution. As a professional ethical hacker or pen tester, your first step will be to check for the reachability of a computer in the target network. Operating system offers several utilities that you can use for primary information gathering. Windows command line utilities such as ping, lookup, and traceroute gather important information like IP address, maximum packet frame size, etc. about a target, network or system that form a base of security assessment and penetration tester. This lab demonstrates how to use ping, lookup, and traceroute utilities to gather information about a target. The lab teaches how to use ping utility to find the IP address of a target domain, use ping utility to emulate the traceroute command, finding the maximum frame size of a network, identify internet control message ICMP type and code for echo request and echo reply packets. So let's start. First task is finding IP address of a target domain. So open the command prompt by right click on the Windows icon at the bottom and select command prompt admin. As I am already opened here, type the command ping space target domain, that is www.theprohackers prohackers.in and press enter. Yes, this command. Here you can see that reply from 184.168.223.33. So this is the IP address of the target domain, that is www.theprohackers.in. Ping stand for packet internet grouper. Ping command work with the different syntax like -q, -v, -r, -c, -i, and -s. Now the next task is finding the maximum frame size of the target domain. So let's perform. To do this, type the command ping space target domain, that is www.theprohackers prohackers.in space -f and space -l and frame size, that is 1500. Enter. Here we got the reply. The response packet need to be fragmented, but the DF set means that the frame is too large to be open to be on the network and need to be fragmented. Since we use the -f syntax with the ping command, the packet was not sent and returned this error. By default, ping fragment the packets and -s-f sets do not fragment bit on the ping packets. Now try the different size of the packets until you get the echo reply. So let's try something else. 1400. Now this is also the packet is too large. Let's try something else. 1000. This is also the large packet. So let's try something else. Yes, I got here the reply. So here you can see that 100 bytes of packets. While setting the 100 bytes of packets, I got the reply from the target domain. It means you can check the different values until you find the maximum size of the frame. In the ping command, the -L, that is -L, size option means to send the buffer size, that is the buffer size 100. The maximum frame size will be different depending upon your network target. Now task 3. Now find what happen when the TTL, time to live, expires. Every frame on the network has TTL, time to live, defined. If TTL reaches 0, the router discard the packet. This mechanism prevent the loss of packets. To do this, open the command prompt and type the command ping space target domain, that is www.theprohackers.in space -I space 3 and press enter. Reply from the target, that is 10.228.21.18 TTL expired in transit. It's mean the router discard the frame because the TTL has expired, reach 0. In this command, -I define the time to live and the number of 3 defined time to live set to be 3. Try the different value of TTL until you get the echo request. One more important thing here, the maximum size of TTL you can set up to 255. Try something different value of TTL. 10. That is not working. Try something different. Yes, I got the reply from TTL 50. So you can use the more value until you find the maximum time to live for the target domain. Task 4 is emulating tracert. Tracert command, TRACERT. Tracert command is used for finding the route or path of the path or complete route from the attacker's machine to the target machine. So launch the command prompt and type the command tracert space your target domain, that is www.theprohackers.in the pro hackers .in and press enter. Now traceroute command is executed, and you can find here all the hops by which my request is passing through. Basically traceroute command work over the maximum of 30 hops. So let's see how many hops it's showing to us. Mm. So traceroute command is running and showing the number of hops, that is one is my IP address, my DNS. Second is another. Third hop is 10.228.221.21.18. Fourth hop is, so that is the way of how traceroute command is work and what the result traceroute command showing. Okay, see, is taking more time. Star means here in hop 4, here is some star, that is the host is connected with the firewall or the proxies, so the reply is not receiving, so that's why traceroute command showing here the star. Okay, let it be done. So we are doing something else. Open the new command prompt. Now try to finding the details using NSLOOKUP command. NSLOOKUP means name server lookup, is the very useful command that provides the detail of name server, SOA, email servers, and lots of the detail related with the target domain. So open the command prompt and type NSLOOKUP, NSLOOKUP, and hit enter. Now you can come. You can come at the NSLOOKUP interactive mode. You can directly open the NSLOOKUP from the run. Open the run and type NSLOOKUP. So that is directly open the NSLOOKUP. Yes, here you can see the traceroute command is completed. You can see the all hops and geolocation like Mumbai, Delhi, and Paris. So these are the hops from where my request is passing through. So this is how the traceroute command is working. And now we are using NSLOOKUP command. First of all, when the NSLOOKUP open, it is default is showing the default server, that is unknown here, and default DNS ID, DNS IP, that is 192.168.1.1. Currently this is my DNS server. Now first task, find the IP address of the target domain. So type the command set space type equal to A. We are finding A records. Now type your target domain, that is www.theprohackers.in, and hit enter. Here you can see that this is the command. and the reply is non-authoritative answer. Name, the prohackers.in. Address means IP address, that is 184.168.221.33, and alias is prohackers.in. So these are the information you can find from the A type. Now try to find something more data, finding the C name of the target domain. So let's try. Type the command set type equal to C name and hit enter. Now type the target domain, that is www.theprohackers prohackers.in and hit enter. Yes, you can see here the details of CNAME. CNAME replies the non-authoritative answer with canonical names. CNAME basically stand for canonical names and main name, and also providing the name server details. So here are something 4 and 3, 7 name server are here, and the command is this. So this information you can find using the CNAME. Now try to find more details using NSLOOKUP. Now finding SOA record, that is SOA, start of authority. So type the command set space type equal to SOA, that is start of authority, and type the target domain, that is www.theprohackers.in. So is the command, and here is the result. Start of authority also produce the non-authoritative answer, and the answer is target domain, canonical name, and the more important thing is primary name server, that is ns47.domaincontrol.com, responsible mail address, that is dns.jomax.net, serial, refresh, retry, expiry, and default TTL is 600, 10 minutes. Remember that we using the TTL of 50, but here is the default TTL is 600, so you can use up to 600, maximum 10 minutes. Now another task, finding the IP address of the primary domain. So here is my primary domain, that is ns47.domaincontrol. Copy this domain. Now type the command set space type type equal to A. Now type the primary domain, that is ns47.domaincontrol.com, and hit enter. Yes, here is the command, and you can see here this is the non-authoritative answer, name of the primary DNS, and IP address of the primary name server. So this is. So guys, this is the command utilities, Windows command utilities, that can provide the most important details for the target domain. The authoritative name server stored the records associated with the domain. So if an attacker can determine the authoritative name server, that is primary name server, this is, and obtain the associated IP address, that is this 216.69.185.24.24, he might attempt to exploit the server to perform attacks which includes DOS, DDoS, URL redirection, and so on. So if anyone can get these IP address, this is the most important information about the target domain, because this is the primary name server. So attacker can use this IP address to exploit the target, like exploit the target attacks like DOS, DDoS, and URL redirection. For more videos, please, for more video relating to the hacker, please subscribe my channel, that is, and for any query, please mail us at theprohackers2017@gmail.com. Thank you.